With tips and tricks, we teach you quick. It's Spencer and Adam's how-to time.
Hello everybody, and today I'll be showing you how to not make a perfect video. Some equipment you will need is a camera, a tripod, and a phone flashlight should work. Let's go to the next step where I show you where to film.
So you ask which spots are good. Well, most professionals say a classroom like this or really any great backdrop like this or this work, but I'll show you the really good spots.
So after reviewing all of those spots, like a nice background or in front of a flat wall, I think those suck, to be honest. And I think right in front of this window is the perfect spot. The natural lighting that comes through really lightens my face up and will make it very enjoyable for the viewer. So after you pick your location, you'll need to now set up your tripod. So for the first clips, you have to max them out because it does not matter about the height of the person. The max for the first clip is the best. And for this back bottom one, I max it out. And for this one right here, I'm just gonna leave that how it is. And then this one, let's say about halfway. So now, when I go to film my thing, I set it up. Oh. Are you filming? Oh, okay. So this is how it should look. It's perfect for the Dutch angle. That's the only shot you need as a filmmaker. Maybe a POV every once in a while, but the Dutch angle should do. And let's get to our lighting. So fancy filmmakers will use this lighting right here, but I think it sucks. I think the lighting that the building gave us is 50 times better. So we'll just get rid of this and we'll use the lighting that the building has. So now that we've picked our setting in front of this beautiful window or this corner, let's talk about our actors. So you want your actors to almost complement the window. So you want them maybe halfway cut off because the main focus of the scene should be the window. So I personally would put my actor right about here. So he's halfway in and the setting is all you see. Because you want to show off the beautiful window, your actors is more of a compliment.
For your camera settings, just don't touch them. Also make sure to cover your lens as you shouldn't ever take that off during recording.
So now it's editing. This is our clip that we filmed. So that was our clip, but to tweak it, I think we cut this guy out because he broke one of our rules that he came too much into frame. So let's cut that, and let's just delete him out of there. And now onto the audio. We don't want any of the audio from the filming. We just want music. So let's add in our music. Perfect. That was amazing. Now let's export this. So that's how you make a not perfect video. So to show you that we know what we're talking about, let's show you our finished product. So that's our finished product. I think it's perfect. Tune in next time to How To Time, where we show you how to drive a car.
How-to time.